Hello everyone, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. My name is Adam Al-Zahrani and today I'll be presenting my infographic on green airports. The aviation industry contributes to the global economy and generates millions of jobs opportunities. However, the aviation industry is not immune to the impact it has on the environment. This infographic focuses on the sources of airport pollution and sustainable effort to reduce environmental implication, as well as to emphasize the need of implementing sustainable measures toward a greener industry. This list summarizes the sources of airport air pollution and green technology that should be incorporated in airports. Water is used largely in airports operation. Installing water meter system, water-saving sanitary fixtures, and reusing water will help prevent water waste. Aircraft exhaust emission also another source of airport pollution. Implementing oxidation and catalyst will help reduce the emission by the aircraft. Eco-vehicle transport emits a lot of carbon monoxide. Transitioning into electric ground service equipment will reduce the carbon produced. Energy is consumed through runway lighting and heating units. Airports installing LED lights and solar panels will help lower energy consumption. In this section, there are some recommendations to help reduce airport pollution. For example, strengthening aviation policies and charging airlines for pollution caused. Encouraging the use of public transportation by limiting the parking spots in the airport. Breaking down costs and benefits will help smaller airports evaluate the need of eco-friendly features. Enforcing regulation to reduce taxiing time and shutting down engine. Lastly, government involvement is important to lead environmental movement. Now I'll discuss my design and choices. My design is based on the vertical layout, listing the causes of air pollution and ways to reduce air pollution. I tried to keep my design as professional as possible, easily understandable by listing information in a vertical layout. I use a green color to contrast with the green technology and my topic, green airports. Lastly, my two reference that my information for this infographic came from, and thank you for watching.